Everybody, I'm Amber Lappin. I'm going to teach you a quick and easy way to memorize the 10 Commandments in order. Just a quick note, this is not a theological sermon on how to follow the 10 Commandments, what they mean, what the intention is. It's just a quick and easy mnemonic device to memorize the 10 Commandments in order. Once you learn them, you'll never forget, but it's super cheesy and really not very accurate of how to follow the commandments. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. First commandment, how many gods are there? One, thou shalt have no other gods before me. Second commandment, we're going to make scissors and we're going to cut idols out of our lives. Cut out idols, don't have any idols. Third commandment, this reminds us of a letter. What letter? W. This helps us to remember to watch our words. Don't take the Lord's name in vain. Fourth commandment, how many wheels are in your car? 4. And where do you go in your car on Sunday? Church. 4 wheels on your car, going to church on Sunday. Remember the Sabbath and keep it holy. Fifth commandment. This is a reminder to honor your mother and father. Sixth commandment. Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. Don't commit murder. Seventh commandment. Okay. These two people right here have made a commitment. They're married, so they're going to keep their vows to each other. Stay away from these people. That is a reminder not to commit adultery. Eighth commandment. All right, so this is like a pickpocket, a person stealing, and we're going to say, stop, don't steal. Stop, don't steal. Do not steal. Ninth commandment. These guys are standing. This guy is lying. Get it? Don't bear false witness. 10th commandment. Oh my gosh, no fair. She has that and I don't. I want it. 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 Don't covet. There you go. Now you can teach it to kids yourselves. Bye-bye.